So guys, in this video we are gonna develop the basic skeleton of our application. That means we will make some projects, make solution for Lunar, and get through some of the basics. So let's start. First, we are going to create a new solution. So we're gonna create a project, search for solution, blank solution, say this, next, name. This will be the folder you can go with this folder. I will just say application this way. So after we created the solution, we're gonna create the domain project. This will be main project where all the entities will be stored. So we will go right click, add new project. We'll select the class library. Okay, next. We'll type the domain. Okay, next. We'll use .8 and create. And we created our domain. Here we're gonna see some dependencies. We are gonna use dependency injection, but not here. So this will be the main project. We're gonna have so many classes. We're gonna make some folders here. So after we created the domain project, the next thing we should do is create the application. We're gonna go same like for the main, add new project. We're gonna type here as library also next application. Okay, next and create. So now we have successfully created the application project. In this project, we are gonna reference the domain project and also in this project the core business logic for this. So something like CQRS with mediator we will see will be used, and here we are going to find some base use cases for our project. And in here we are going to use dependency injection, so we are going to add project reference, now domain project. Okay, now we are going to create the infrastructure layer, so we're going to go same as before. We are going to add new project, class library. Okay, and here we're going to type in next, and create. And also we are gonna create presentation layer. Presentation. Next, create. So now let's start our packages that we are going to use in our application layer. So we are going to go to the package manager and for solution, we are gonna type mediator. We are gonna use mediator for our use cases in the application layer. Find this one and select application layer and install. After that is installed, we are going to use presentation also. We're going to select this one because we are going to go with the custom dependency injection that we are going to set up. Install and install. You can see here, if you go, that we installed these two packages for the validation and now we are going to set up the Fluent validation dependency injection. We are going to customize our dependency injection for each layer, for each project, application, domain, infrastructure, and presentation. So now we are going to configure our dependency injection for our application layer. we're gonna add a new class. New item. It's not that. We're gonna add new class. Okay, this thing. You're gonna see this one. Workshop. Creating. Okay. New specification. That's okay. We're gonna make it public as static class. We're gonna make some extension method that we are gonna use for serving application. We're gonna make extension method. So once I service collection like this, we are gonna say application. So then this. Okay. So here, so we must return the services. We are gonna okay. Now we are gonna set up our packages here. Install our mediator that the mediator is gonna handle all services. Okay, so we are gonna services add mediator. Okay, we're gonna need the configuration here. Okay. Configuration. Services for assembly. Okay, we need our assembly here. So we're gonna say type of and then section. Okay, that is okay. Now we are gonna also add our Fluent Foundation source. We also need assembly here, so we are gonna extract the assembly like here. Okay, like that. We are gonna see here. Now we are going to add our fluent validation. We are going to see source add validators from assembly, type assembly, and that will be it. Our application is set up. Okay, the next thing we are gonna do is set up the dependency injection for the infrastructure layer. So we are gonna do the same like we did for application new class. Add class. Yes, we are gonna also make this extension method. We must install that it does not show us. So it's not showing, so we need to install it manually. We need to install the dependency injection here too. We're gonna go to the package. This one for our infrastructure. We're gonna install. Okay. Let's see. Install it. See it here. Service collection install. It's okay. See that. Okay, this collection services. Here the town services. And this will be it for now for this. Now we are gonna do the same thing for the presentation layer. We are gonna go add new class dependency section like this. Add static. It does not show up again. We need to go to the package manager and install this for presentation too. Okay, save it here. Show. We are gonna add presentation. Okay, assets collection and so now our presentation layer is also set up. And now after we finish the presentation, we are gonna add the final touches. That means we are gonna go and create a web API. We're gonna add new project. Okay, add API. This one. Next. Next. We are gonna take this for enable Docker. We will see what we'll do later. We are gonna create just creating the project. So now the project is created. Okay, we have our some classes, program CS, Docker file here. We'll look up that later. Weather forecast. So class. Okay. We're gonna set up this and have some boilerplate. Let's delete some of it. Okay. Okay, we have Stagger built in. Okay, HTTPS, we have our authorization, we have our controllers mapped up, and we also need to builder. So we need to set up our layers that we defined before in our project. So we are going to builder services add application. At first we need to add a reference. Project reference, application, presentation. The domain will get through the application. Okay. Builder. Okay, it was not showing the builder because we didn't specify the namespace. Okay, namespace. Not using infrastructure, for example. Using application. using the presentation like that. And so we are gonna go here, builder dot add services dot add application layer dot add infrastructure layer. Here we go like this. Okay. This and add presentation like that. Now our logic for other projects is set up. So now after finish adding our sources, we are gonna add the login for our application. We are gonna install a package called Serilog. We're gonna type here Serilog.NET Core. This one installed for the API. Okay, it is installed. We are gonna use Serilog this, and we are gonna add builder.use Serilog like here. So what we need is providers. Okay, here context, text, configuration, and here we're gonna read the configuration from our configuration context configuration like this, like that. And now we need to set up our logging in our apps. So now after we added the serial, we need to configure it in the configuration. We will go to the settings, and I'm going to paste some configuration for Serilog. So this we're going to use what level of login will there be, where should the logs be stored, some formatter, and things like that. For more information of this, you can look it up on the internet. What does it do exactly? Okay, now our logging is set up. We also just need to use it for request logging. So now we are gonna here just have to use serial request, and this will log our request, and that's it. We are finished for this project. For this video, we have made some skeleton for this project admin, and in the future videos, you'll see we will probably start the database, integrating database context, creating with software entities, and we will see how things will be going. So, see you guys in the next video.